Today I have a super awesome announcement. Flux has acquired files.design and Platforma, and in this video I'll share what does it mean, what does it mean for Flux students, what does it mean for Design Files customer, and how this is going to benefit the entire design ecosystem. Let's rock and roll. Hey designer friends, what is up? My name is Ron Segal and I'm the founder of Flux. And today I want to share about something that happened last week when we at Flux acquired files.design from its founders. So first of all, let me give you a little bit of context about how this came to be. About 2 years ago, you might remember if you're an old school Flux subscriber, I've made a huge research to find out the best wireframing kit, and I've shared this in this video. Anyway, I came to the conclusion that Platforma is just the best wireframing kit ever. And I actually wanted to give this to our web design students. And so I reached out to Yura, the founder of files.design, and I tried to get a discount or get some way to purchase licenses for our students. But because we have like 4,000 students, that ended up being quite expensive. And so the only thing that I was able to get was kind of a discount code for our students. But we stayed in touch, and recently Yura has told me that he and his partner that started files.design are moving away to focus on a new project, and they were considering selling this business. And so we've started the discussion, and I thought this can be an amazing, amazing addition to Flux. And here's why. First of all, our goal with Flux is to help web designers do the best work and do their work most efficiently and learn the fastest way to become world-class web designers. And I do think that they need the best tools. And we have found and recommended Platforma wireframing kit as the best tool ever. And so for us, getting this to become part of Flux and enabling our students to use this resource as part of our courses was a very big priority. And also just having our students having access to the best tools that can help them work more effectively, that is one thing that is really, really great. On the other hand, files.design had a very big, customer base that are already web designers, are already using these resources and can also benefit from all of the educational content that we are doing here in Flux. And so by merging these companies, we'll be able to benefit them, give them special offers and promotions on our content, and kind of have both these audiences enjoying both of the resources on both ends. And on top of that, for the whole kind of like design ecosystem, for us, this is venturing into helping designers with more resources. Recently, you might have heard, we've released a Notion template for designers, and we're starting to release more and more free resources to the design community. And we took the, as we've been working with Platforma for years, we feel like there needs to be kind of a Webflow template that correlates with this. So now this will enable us to build this kind of a Webflow template for these wireframing kit. And we have so many more ideas for new resources that are going to benefit the whole community that we thought this is going to be a great fit. So first of all, I want to say to celebrate this, we've created a coupon code for Platforma and all the resources on files.design. So you'll see it here on the screen, and we're going to make this promo code available until the end of the month. So if you're just first, or you've been considering getting the best wireframing kit out there, or any of the other amazing resources on files.design, you can do it this month to celebrate. And there'll be a lot more cool things coming up in the future. So if you're new here to Flux Academy, if you're just coming in from files.design, welcome. And we're very excited to serve you in the future and bring you way more amazing things that you've had so far. And I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you.